KK Modi University, Chhattisgarh, just wrapped up the Power Pact 4th edition of its flagship state-level business idea competition, Think Biz 4.0. The journey began 60 days ago with KKMU's subject matter experts visiting schools across districts, conducting over 40 bootcamps on how to prepare a business plan. These sessions inspired young minds to think creatively, solve real-world problems, and build sustainable business solutions. The grand finale brought together brilliant young innovators from across Chhattisgarh. 28 teams, 12 leading schools, 6 cities. Each team pitched their original business ideas to a distinguished panel of industry experts, academics, and entrepreneurs. After an incredible round of presentations, KH Memorial School, Bhilai emerged as the winner of Think Biz 4.0. Ryan International School, Raipur secured first runner-up, and Maitri Vidya Niketan, Bhilai claimed second runner-up. Think Biz 4.0 once again showcased KK Modi University's commitment to fostering innovation, leadership, and entrepreneurship among the youth. Empowering students with real business exposure, helping shape future-ready change makers. Think Biz 4.0, where ideas turn into impact.